to do a video on S&P 500 ES futures contracts. We're going to show you how to use them for day trading, swing trading, position trading. And this is going to be on our premium section of our website, and you can go to our website at RBAMresearch.com and see exactly how to get them. But there is basically three different types that we've got up here, and they all come out before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. This is for November 8th. You always want to check the date, make sure you're on the current date. If you come by the night before, once you're a paid subscriber, if you come by the night before, log in, you can usually get these after 6 p.m. the night before. It's not guaranteed. They're guaranteed to be out before 7 a.m., but we usually put them up after 6 p.m. the night before, so keep that in mind. Everything you're going to see on here is for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should be an experienced trader to use any of these, and everything we discuss is hypothetical. It's all back tested, and you have to trade at your own risk using your own analysis. But let's take a look at what we got here. This is basically the ES mini contract, the futures contract, the E-mini. And every morning it's going to come out with a buy or short for these position trades. Now again, these are trading days, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading days. You can use the one-day column to day trade, meaning get in today, get out today. You can use the two-day column for shorts to get in today, get out today. And the short positions will never have one-day prices on them. So you always have a 2, 5, a 10, and a 20 in every column, but only one day's prices in the buy column. The one-day shorts are always going to be zeros. That's just the way this algorithm works. So the way this works for swing trading, basically you get in today, get out at the end of one trading day. So if you got in Friday, you'd get out at the end of the trading Monday. If you got in Monday here on a 2-day, you'd get out at the end of Wednesday. Now what does that mean, get out? It means you get out at a loss. You take your profits as soon as you can get them, or worst case, you get out at the end of 1, 2, 5, 10, or 20 trading days. So that's how these work. There is no defined stop on there. Everything you're going to see on here is a time stop. And that's one of the ways we build our algorithms. That's why we're different. That's why we have great systems, all hypothetically speaking. But we don't use hard stops. If you use hard stops, you have to modify the way you're doing this, and that's up to you, however you're going to do it. You should be an experienced trader, and you should know what you're doing to use anything that I'm discussing on here. This is not for people who don't know how to trade. You'll find if you know how to trade and you are able to look at what you see here and realize its value, you'll see that it can be an extremely entertaining way to look at the markets. So let's go on a little bit here. Basically, again, you're going to get these either buy or a short every morning before 7 a.m., which you can use for day trading in the 1 or 2 columns, or you can use for swing trading, say 2 to 5 day swings, or you can position trade it all the way out to 20 days. Now let's take a look down here real quick for a trend following system. This is a 30 trading day trend following system for the S&P 500. Again, everything I'm showing you on here is for S&P 500 E-minis. The symbol is ES. And you're going to get each day either a buy, a flat, or a short in this particular section. We're now looking at trend following. And you can see for the 8th of November, it's got an entry price of 38.21. So basically, if the market touches that, assuming your own analysis is a good idea, you can buy on that and have a hypothetically decent probability of making a profit on here. And the way you do these is you look at them, you get a free trial period on this, and you look at them and you decide for yourself what you think, whether they'll work for you or not. This next section is for intraday trading. Now again, you need to be an experienced trader to even begin to understand what's going on here, but if you're experienced, you should understand what support and resistance is. Let's take this column here first for resistance. These come out every morning before 7 a.m. and again, you can get them early 6 p.m. the night before if they're available. And you start down here. So the market will be moving up into these. So on this particular day, 37.88 would be your first resistance level, and so forth all the way up. You're going to focus in these first 3 or 4 here under normal market conditions. For support, you start here, 38.13 this particular day, and you're going to focus all the way down here, these last 3. Now, that doesn't mean they're going to stop here. It doesn't mean anything. These are just support and resistance, and you got to use your own judgment. But over time, I think you'll find these to be extremely entertaining. And from a hypothetical back-tested situation, I think you're going to enjoy looking at them every day. I think you'll find them to be a big help, again, all hypothetically speaking. But you want to focus here and focus here on the support and resistance. You don't want to look for this up here because it's a little aggressive, and the price will often go through these. So the last 3 and the first 3 or 4 on the support and resistance. So that's basically how the S&P information works. It's updated every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Fridays. We don't publish anything on holidays at all, and the early access is all it's all subject to whether we can do it or not. You should plan on getting them no earlier than 7 a.m. the morning of, but or 7:30 the morning of, but you'll definitely have them by then, and you can usually get them the night before. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk, and you can get them all at rbamresearch.com. Just head over there. You can get a free trial by following the link in this video, and then getting a free trial before you agree to subscribe. Keep in mind, there's no commitment. There's no ongoing charges. If you want to cancel, you can cancel at any time, and you do get a free trial period to check all this out for yourself. The free trial will put you live to these prices. It's being set up right now. By the time you see this video, you'll have access to the actual things we just showed you, and you'll have a chance to try it out before you buy. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our information anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.